Hence, nowadays, a very big talk is going on as to how the tree falls on electrical lines and causes a very big loss. And different people give different reasons. And I will tell how the lines are to be saved from the falling of tree on the lines. But I will now first introduce myself. Myself, R.S. Khandagare, retired Chief Engineer Civil and National Safety Commission member, likewise an ex-working group member of CBIP. Now I will continue.
Go.
Friends, this is a tree, and suppose this is a line. Generally, a basic principle is that if this tree is not to fall on this line, the distance of this tree should be more than its height from this line. But this principle is not being followed anywhere, particularly in case of LT line. It is prescribed that the distance of these branches should not be more than 1 meter from the line. In this case also, there are clear instructions in the regulation that every 3 months lines are to be patrolled and the condition of this tree is to be assessed whether it will fall on this line or not. Now, different people give different reasons of felling of tree, and one of the major reasons being told nowadays that due to pollution, these trees are not getting proper food from the soil and weather due to pollution. But in extreme cases, it may be true. But in almost all the cases, the tree will fall only in case where these roots become weak. And the reasons for becoming the root weak is that generally there are 2 or 3 types of trees. The trees having deep root and the trees having very shallow roots or up roots. And the tree which is having a very deep root will not generally fall. Similarly, the tree falls when the load of this is not balanced by this core of the tree. Secondly, the tree falls only when generally what happens, there is a hole in the tree for birds, etc. And what the people do, they keep a fire in this, and due to that fire, this portion burns and tree falls. Such things can be noticed by local people and reported, so that this tree will not fall on this line. Secondly, there is other point. This is a tree, there is a bark on this tree, and if in this portion a ring is cut, bark is removed, and below bark there is a vase for growing the food like this. If that is cut in roundly, this tree will dry and fail. And other reasons are of felling tree that if there is very heavy wind, in heavy wind before pre-monsoon, the assessment of this tree is to be done. Secondly, the trees do not get their food properly when paradise creepers lying on these or some paradise plant is there. What paradise creeper do? All the food of this tree they eat and cover this tree, and this tree do not get CO2 from the weather, and automatically it dries and fails on this line. Thirdly, I think these are the only reasons of failing on the tree. Basic thing to be told is that there is everything, rules, regulation, and act also, that every 3 months line is to be patrolled, condition of the trees to be assessed, and if the tree is weak, it shall be removed before it falls on the lines. This problem is only for 89, but for 11 kg, 33 kg onwards, minimum distance required of these for 11 kg and 33 kg lines is more than 20 feet. And for transmission lines, no tree is required in a right of way. The right of way is very bigger, and all the rules, regulations are very clear. If they are followed, there will not be any problem of falling trees on the lines. But what happens? We do not patrol the line in every 3 months, do not assess the condition of the tree. Then what happens? Before monsoon starts, there are heavy winds, rains, and the tree falls on the lines. Then conductor breaks, pole breaks, huge loss is there to the nation in the form of reduction on the life of the line and breakdowns and disturbance to the consumers. Hence, there is no need of any further regulation regarding cutting of tree near electrical lines. I have also published a technical paper in IMA Journal before I retired, where I have told all technical, biological aspects of the trees near transmission line and its hazards. Hence, every care is taken as per highest codes, regulation, and act. This problem will not be there of falling a tree on a LT line, ST line, or transmission line. Need is only to follow the rules and regulations. Thank you. Again, kindly subscribe to my YouTube video channel, because I will not be in a position to post these videos to each and everybody. Only care is to be taken that no paradise creeper should fly on this tree, or there is no parasite creeper or parasite plant on this tree, which causes drying of this tree. I think I have covered all the points. Again, I will tell main points. The keeping fire in this world shall be watched, and it should not be, you should be stopped. Secondly, no parasite creeper or plant should be on the tree. Thirdly, there should not be any cutting of bark of the tree. If this is done, this problem will not be there. Thank you. Kindly subscribe.